So, I want to add this signature on my Zoho mail. Currently, I don't have any signature. To add one, open Settings from the right toolbar. Then, scroll down and find Signatures section. Click on it. Now, click on Add Signature. Give your signature a name, it could be anything. Now, copy the signature. And paste it here. If you want to use HTML, click here. And paste it. After that, save it. Now, if you want to enable signature on replies, turn this on. Else turn it off. Now let's test our signature. Write your mail, just above the signature. And that's it.